Our next car is a 1978 Chevrolet Camaro, a late second-gen icon from the era when muscle cars were fighting to survive against rising fuel regulations. This particular unit shows 32,000 miles, surprisingly low for a car approaching 50 years old. It comes in a classic black exterior, paired with an automatic transmission and the unmistakable rumble of a 70s gasoline V8 underneath. The current owner originally picked it up with big plans, a full restoration, a complete rebuild, a return to glory. But life got in the way. Now it sits as a perfect snapshot of an unfinished dream. It starts, it runs, it drives, but it's still waiting for someone with time and passion to bring it to the finish line. From a technical standpoint, the 78 Z28 is known for its solid chassis, simple mechanical layout, and huge aftermarket support. These cars respond extremely well to upgrades, better carburation, refreshed suspension, or even a period-correct performance build. At the same time, they're simple enough that a weekend mechanic can keep them alive without needing specialized equipment. In today's market, late 70s Camaros are becoming one of the last affordable entry points into the classic muscle scene. Prices are creeping upward year after year, especially for Z28s that are still complete and running. This one falls into that rare category. Not restored, not modified, but not dead either. A true blank canvas for the next enthusiast. That's it for this one. More budget classics coming up. Don't miss the next hidden gem.